Hello everybody and welcome back. I've got no makeup on today because I'm going to show you some new foundation and contour that I bought the other day from Boots. I went in there and I was really impressed. They've got 2 counters full of it, tested some of it and actually quite liked it. So bought some and they're only cheap, about £3 or £4 each. So I was really impressed with the price. And it's the CYO foundation and contour. And the good news is that it's all cruelty free, so I'm really impressed about that. So I picked up the Fair. It goes from 01 upwards and you can get any colour for your skin type. So for me, the Fair probably was the better one. The next one up, 02, was a little bit beigey. I did like it, but I think for this time of year, this one's fine for me. So I'm going to apply some of this on half my face, see what it looks like, so you could get to have a good look, and then I'm going to put the contour on and see what that's like as well. So give it a shake, put a bit on my hand. I like to use a brush to put mine on, and I like the feel of it, and it goes on silky, so this is really quite good. I've done half the face so you can see what it's like, and then you can see the difference from the other half. You can definitely see the difference. I really like this foundation. I don't know about the other reviews, they might be mixed, but I'm pretty impressed. I'm doing the rest of my face really quickly now, so if it doesn't look great, don't worry about it. I'm just doing it quick so I can get onto the contour. This is really good foundation. It went on really well, nice and silky. I got full coverage and it feels light on my face. It doesn't feel gloopy or thick or sticky. It feels nice and light. So I'm really impressed with that foundation. So now onto this contour. Opening it up, this is what it looks like. So we've got the highlighter and the contour. So I'm going to give that a try now. So I've not really used contour before. Normally I use bronzer. In the olden days we just used to use bronzer to sort of contour our face. So all this contour stuff is new to me. But I like this. I tried it out on my hand. I want to give it a go. Let's see. So my little brush. Doing my forehead, and what I like about this contour is it looks like I'm going to get a bit of a tan as well, so that's important for me. Being pale, I need it to look like I've got a bit of a tan going on. What do we do? A little bit up the cheeks, underneath to make it look like I've got some cheeks, and on the other side. I have to use a mirror when I'm doing this because in the camera I can't really see too well. What I really like about this is the highlighter. I really do like highlighters under the chin. I don't think that looks too bad. A bit more, build it up. Blend, blend, blend as they say. Excuse me, I've had a bit of a cold as well. I suffer with a little bit of hay fever, so I get a little bit congested now and again. I quite like this. Down the side of the nose. I like to put a little bit on the end as well, not too much. I'm doing this quickly, by the way. I think this contour is quite good. It gives me a bit of colour and it has contoured, so I think I would go for this. It goes on really well. If you're a person that loves contour, this is really good. Now this is what I'm actually looking forward to using, the highlighter. So I'm a big highlighter fan and I just don't feel like my makeup's finished unless I have highlighter on. And as you can see, this is a really good highlighter. I'm going to put it on quite thick because I think on the camera it doesn't really show too well, but I think if I put it on a bit thicker you can get to see. I don't know if you can see. No. That is a really good highlighter. I'm really impressed with it. So if you love highlighter, you'll love this one. So I picked up Fair. I know they do medium and dark, but Fair's definitely good for me. So I just put on the rest of my eye makeup and just finishing off my mascara. I didn't think that I would be impressed with that brand, but I am. And given the price of it, I think it is a really good deal. It went on really well, it feels good. So I'm really happy with it. And I think I will be going back and investing in some more. So CYO, I'm really pleased to find them. If you go to Boots, do look out for it and test it. I'm happy to have found it. I love looking out for new products, and I'm so happy to find that and show it to you. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and have a really good weekend, week and everything, and I shall see you next time.